Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This week we are going to be showing you a video on the exhaust. So I've had the chance to unbox the GoPro, as you may have seen. I did put up a short video just recording the car in idle, just revving, and this week we've been able to take it for a short drive to record the driving sounds in both normal comfort mode, which is just in D, and then we've also switched it over to race mode just so that the valves open up and you guys can hear the differences. The main difference really is it is slightly louder, and then it burbles a lot more when you take your foot off the accelerator. I have also timed it well in the sense that I will list up the times just here on the screen so that you guys can just fast forward if you want to hear the differences between just in your normal mode versus in your race mode. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else to cover off, so yeah, let's jump over to the video. Now when you're putting this mount on, just need to ensure that you put it on flat surface. Thankfully for this car, you've got quite a lot of sharp lines across the car, so lots of flat areas where you could potentially mount it. In this case, we're just going to mount it just on the boot, just so we can record some exhaust noises. So probably somewhere around over here. And just make sure you give it some spray detail beforehand to ensure it doesn't slip off. Alright guys, that's all we've got this week for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing, as it will help the channel go a long way. Other than that, if you've got any questions in relation to the car, the exhaust, or any of my other videos, just drop them down in the comment box below and I'll make sure I respond. Other than that, have a good one and we'll see you in the next one.